turn the camera around.
All right.
If you can head north here, pilot, you'll come right through that waypoint, and we'll be on that contour that they've mapped out.
All right.
And when you guys feel settled, I'll call in the ship move.
Yeah, let me
Yeah.
work up this way.
Obviously went the wrong way because
Let me know. That's definitely downslope, huh?
there you are. Okay.
There I am.
There she was. Gone.
All right, so there's a decent on-cliff current here.
That might have been what was pushing you up, huh?
Yeah, it might have been.
15.5 above you.
So we're pretty much moving dead north.
Copy
They're
that.
looking for seepage along here.
There's a twofer.
All right, video.
Okay. Here we go.
Sorry about that.
Right, all right.
Science, what would you like to label this?
Yes, this is bamboo coral.
Okay.
Do you see anybody living here?
Yeah, yeah, there's something.
This
Maybe?
is-
Or is it just some stuff? Nah, it's
no.
just some
I think there
floating
was
matter.
something to the right, pilot. I thought I saw... Yeah, there's a pink animal in there. Right in the middle.
Give it a try, video.
A little to the right. Can you see it?
Yeah,
I
there's
think I
something
see what
there.
you're looking at.
Okay.
It's right behind a branch of the coral. Come wide for you here.
can we also please take a...
Go ahead, video.
Okay, coming in for a zoom. Try something here to improve our focus range here. If there's any way you can maneuver, yeah, a little more to the right. Awesome. That's a close-up.
Yeah, there's actually 3 waypoints. 1 to 2 is south to north, and then 2 to 3 is
Okay, come out wide. So there's something there at the base.
It's like yeah, we're getting close to time to go here.
Okay. Take a quick look.
Yeah, we'll start moving. The ship just started moving, so we'll just take a quick look at this gastropod and then we'll go.
All right, there's something there in the background moving around.
Pilot, this is Science.
Go ahead, Science.
Could we please take a quick focus on that snail, and
Snail?
then
Okay.
I think we wanna start moving to cover some ground and see if we can
You can
find some seepage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree with you.
Thank you.
all right.
Sorry about that, video.
That's quite all right. I'm gonna come a little bit wider.
Science, what's the definition of seepage?
Is this an app?
Yes, this is now.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty much filtering or
Okay.
Yeah. All right. There's your snail.
I guess it's just
Empty.
Quite looking west anyway, so.
chemicals, but might be methane or oil that comes from the underground and reaches the surface.
Your full wide palette.
All right.
And then
Thank you, video.
there are communities of animals that
Done?
are somehow similar to the ones we found in vents, chemosynthetic, and
A little bit behind.
they can live of those
Push on here and see what we can see.
reduced compounds.
Yeah, I want to move along this line for now, I think, and then they may make
An eel.
either way. It's hard to pick up the oxygen map, but there may really be some sparks down here.
This thing's for light. I can see my food.
Activity that would seepage coming through. I think that Ed and general people are looking at the diaphragm now and trying to figure out what their feelings are, whether we should move deeper or not, and then to get their feedback.
Okay, thank you, Tim. Just just let me know whenever.
Video, can you zoom on the camera platform, please?
Zoom on the camera platform.
Yes, please.
Roger that.
That's good, thank you.
That was kind of close. Is there enough light on that video? That's all the higher I can go.
Yeah,
I probably just want
that's
to pick up.
yeah. We'll make it work.
I think that's good enough. We just want a
We'll
quick
just
idea.
focus on the lower part of
Thank
the.
you.
Yeah. sure if there's a crab in there or a squat lobster.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to just pick up and move around this guy. Sorry about that.
That was good. Thank you. I think we have a good idea of that coral.
All right, would you like to take a better picture or move on?
Yes, indeed.
It's the scientific name. I'm glad you're precise.
Oh yeah, focusing is good.
They're not white.
It looked like bryosons.
We got a little bit. That's full zoom.
And we're back where we started.
That's that a little bit.
That's good, pilot. Thank you. Maybe we can do a quick scan going up
Okay.
of the rock, and I know there's oh, what is that? Can we zoom in that, please?
That's full tight.
Is that full
full
zoom?
zoom? Yes.
There's a smaller one on the far right too.
Yeah. And I know there is cup coral on top of the rock.
Alrighty.
If you want to tilt up, we can see what we get there.
Yeah, that's the end.
That's it? Okay.
Yep.
So let me come wide for you. Decide how you want to approach.
Look, yeah, we can look at the cup core. We're just gonna have to move. Ah, I see it. All right. Thinking I'm gonna walk all the way around this rock and land on top of it on the other side.
Northwest right now, and then go back 100 meters north, to the northeast. Just zigzag. Yeah, I think that would work.
You have wall up behind you.
That. If you can tilt down a little bit for me. Thank you, sir.
Just gonna inspect your tether here, pilot. So
All right.
Maybe just a bit more tilt. And
it's way
just a
above
touch
us.
more if you got it.
What was that, co-pilot?
The tether's way above us. Okay.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, nice.
That is full zoom.
So as a video guide, you just want to say more light, please?
Yes. Well, we're actually a bit overflown on the light. We're really right on top of this guy.
Yeah.
But hey, you can only perch where you can perch, right?
Yeah.
It's seriously narrow focal depth. I can't get more than a tiny bit of it in focus at once. So going to come out wide a little bit. And if there's anything else we want to get a peek at while we're on this rock. Some smaller ones, little brothers, sisters in the immediate surrounding.
Oh yeah, there's little ones on
Yeah,
the right.
a bunch of them. Yeah.
If you want to, if you could zoom on those.
Let me see if I can see which one we settle with the best. Maybe the two of them together.
Sorry, video.
That's quite all right. You're doing great. And that's the one in the foreground. Or the one in the background. And then the one in the foreground. It's about the best we're going to be able to do with that, I'm afraid. To rack a little bit. Okay, you're full wide.
All right. Time to catch up again.
That's it. Come out of there. I'll turn that light off again. That's A, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. That looks like Anthomastus. Maybe not.
Did you just come up with a name for that, Craig?
Nope.
If you can head north here, pilot, you'll come right through that waypoint, and we'll be on that contour that they've mapped out.
Alrighty.
And when you guys feel settled, I'll call in the ship move.
Yeah, let me
Yep.
work up this way.
Obviously went the wrong way because
Let me know. That's definitely downslope, huh?
there you are. Okay.
There I am.
There she was. Gone.
Alright, there's a decent on-cliff current here.
That might have been what was pushing you up, huh?
Yeah, it might have been. And I'm far enough below you that I'm doing quite the bobbing act here.
You can see me moving behind you. See, there's 25 meters now. So I'm coming up to 30 again.
Okay, so it's going to be steeper here.
We're going to be busy.
Yes, very.
We won't be bored.
No,
It's the positive way to phrase that.
Yeah.
kind of excited.
You are slowing down behind me there, pilot.
What's that?
You are slowing down behind me.
Well, you are correct. Thank you.
North. Right here. Oops. Rain in 20 minutes.
Copy that. I found a fish.
Fish. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a few. Oh, this is a new fish.
He's got some seriously big eyes. Or I don't know if it's a color pattern or something. Those are big eyes.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
It's my new best friend.
Wow. It's a cool looking fish. And there's a big skate.
Whoa. Whoa.
A big skate.
Do
Just
we want to
protect me. Help me.
Alright, let me know if I'm
Protect me. Help me.
Alright, let me know if I'm
I am 29 meters off the bottom. I'm looking at you and
Wow.
You scared him.
That's a big one.
Well, I have no idea where he...
stop and let you catch up a little bit. I'm 30 above the bottom, so that should give me plenty of...
And you're looking pretty close to straight down at me, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Being slow again.
Big rock. Big rock.
Very big rock.
Yeah. I can see it, but not clearly.
Let's find out
Do
how
you
big
like
the rock is.
Some zoom on that, co-pilot.
Zoom co-pilot, go ahead.
Yeah.
Well, we seem to be getting more corals here.
Yeah. Okay. So if I'm way over here and the ship's way over there, how is that possible?
Waited for a zoom here.
Roger that.
Video, whenever you get a chance, we could zoom in on the sled also.
Roger that.
Ah, yes, it's looking a bit stormy outside.
And Nav, if we could have a little zoom on high pack there, just to
Okay.
get a little bit better situational picture. Thank you.
See if we can get, oops, up.
shrimp in there, I guess.
We'll come down to the. There's a shrimp.
Got just a little bit more zoom there, full zoom.
Still getting a little rocking from the tether.
Get your camera platform zoomed in there, co-pilot.
See if I can damp out some of this swinging here.
Roger that.
Come down a few meters for you.
Thank you, co-pilot. I'm kind of teetering on one skid here, so I'm
gonna come out wide.
a little wiggly.
Thank you, pilot. And there was a request to look at the sponge to the left of this coral.
I think I've got it right here in the sled cam. That sponge there.
In the distance? Yes, that's nice. And we can go for macro.
Roger that.
I'm tilting down. Focus. Thank you. It's very much like spun glass. And then let's come out. Co-pilot, could we have lasers for a moment?
Roger. Lasers on.
Okay, there's lasers. Let's hold that zoom, please. There is dimensional reference. Seems to. Don't know whether there's still a live barnacle in there. You see some creature.
Brittle star, perhaps.
Brittle star, to very tiny, perhaps.
Yeah.
Maybe occupying the shell.
Yeah.
Let's go wide again, please, video.
Coming back out wide.
Back out a little bit. I'm gonna shift to the. Let's shift to the broken barnacle behind, just briefly. Yeah, this one appears to be dead as well. It's got some.
Ready for a zoom?
Yeah. Go ahead. obviously nobody home there. Okay, let's come wide, please.
Coming back out wide.
Video, we're stabilized. Go for zoom.
Measure that. It's full tank.
Oh, he's got a bite to eat there.
Yes, he does.
Go ahead, Seattle. All right. Pilot, can we please get the lasers on this one?
Lasers coming up.
Lasers on.
Need to pull back quite a bit there, video.
They're there. I see them barely center.
You're too zoomed in to see lasers. There's one. Okay. Coming left. Actually, they might be
They're just really
on
hard to
either
see.
side here.
They're
There we
kind
go.
of going through it.
Yeah.
Let's pull wide and see if it gives us a better. Yes, here we go. I think what's happening is it's straddling. Yeah, that's the down here. Oops, pardon me. Come a little asunder here. There's one spot. There's the other spot. So it's coming up with the lasers. Just 10 centimeters, right?
Yeah.
At the widest. Right there. Okay, let's come full wide, please.
Pilot, this is science.
Yes, go ahead.
They would like to look at that crinoid on the
Okay.
bottom right, if
Bottom right.
possible.
We've got an attention seeker.
A scene stealer. Yeah, let's slowly zoom. Come right a little bit. More zoom. There we go. And now we can go in for some macro work.
Nav, this is the bridge. ROV navigator, this is the bridge.
That's max zoom.
Copy, Max.
Make sure I'm not muted. Yeah.
Coming right.
Nav, this is the bridge.
Oops, stop that.
Is that a crab at the base? Go ahead, Bridge.
Position move is completed.
All right, thank you, Bridge. The ship has stopped moving. Thank you.
Copy that.
Ready for a slow reveal?
Okay, pilot. I think we can start moving towards the ship, please,
Okay.
to complete our
Video wide, please.
line here.
Pulling out.
So science, we've come over a very steep drop off here, essentially a face.
Okay.
Looks like my altitude is just about even with my height over ROV. So we're just coming over the
Full
face
right.
here.
So science.
Zooming in.
This one looks a little different. Has rod-like feathers, for lack of better term. Okay, let's come out a little bit.
Almost looks more like a brittle star than a crinoid.
Yeah.
It is. It's actually neither of those. It's sea star. Sorry, a starfish is modified
Ah, okay.
to this shape.
So has it
Yeah.
become sessile?
It's a good question. I don't know. I don't know if it can move. I think it can move. It has the feet already. Still, you can see them.
Yeah, but they're look like they're deployed for catching floating food, and I guess it's holding on with its teeth to the rock.
With the feet, I
Or
would
just
think,
just
but
a few, yeah.
Look at the bottom.
yeah.
Let's go macro, please, video.
Why they're shaped like this, I do not know.
Yeah, see the bottom has different types of feet in the darkness.
Can't really make it out.
Yeah, if you pan left, I can get bring up the brightness.
Yeah, let's see if we can peer into the background here a little bit.
You'll need to clear a little bit of the brightness off.
Yeah, let me.
Otherwise, it washed out.
Are we max zoom?
That is max zoom.
Okay, yeah.
So I think that's his walking feet.
Yeah. They look like all the same sort of feet back there.
Now this is science.
Go ahead, science.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea if we drop a target every time we do a move, so we can start naming them. For example, Northwest 1, Northeast 1, things
Okay.
like that.
Do you want me to just go ahead and start at one since we haven't been?
We can name this Northwest, North. This is Northeast 1. Yeah.
We're about to head northwest, correct?
Right.
So northwest one.
The little
Well, this
brittle
this
star
point
there
will
on the
be
left.
Northeast 1.
Okay, so once we reach the destination, you drop the target.
Yeah,
Okay.
think
so
so.
this is northeast one.
Thank you, pilot.
No.
Nav.
Not a problem.
Okay, come on. Hold that. that is. Whatever that is.
That is a soft coral.
Soft coral. Okay, out slow video.
It's got a couple crabs in there too.
And pull back to full wide.
Oh yeah, and there's a snail on the right of the rock.
Side, but there he is.
Ah, hermit crab. Can we zoom out those that red orange thing to the
Yes.
right? We've seen those, but I have no idea what they are.
Let's go macro on that thing.
Not much more to go.
Oh. Well, come on, you can pull something out of the hat there.
That's all I got.
Okay. It almost looks like a incredibly tiny one of those things whose name escapes me.
Anemone? Sea cucumber? No?
Yeah, the transparent ones that with the exposed plumbing.
The poo makers.
Yeah, those.
Okay, pulling out.
Okay, maybe.
What? Well, I have no idea.
Sponge, I think.
Sponge. Oh yeah, old
Sponge.
Okay. Okay, pull out. Oh.
That is
Is that anything?
sponge, I believe. Yeah,
A sponge. Nice.
very interesting.
That is max soon.
Okay. Let's push focus down to the hold fast, please. Alright. Okay, thank you. Now come back out to the there. Nice. We have captured it. Let's pull back slow.
You want to get lasers?
Lasers on.
There's a quick measurement. There we go. Okay, thanks.
Okay, pilot, enough.
Ship move is underway. And the bridge wanted to inform us that the swell is continuing.
You want the full zoom?
A little bit more zoom. Let's hold that. Have we seen one of those before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Come out, video. It's just new to me. And size is. Oh, sorry.
Let me give you full wide.
Is that full wide?
No, I said, do you want me to?
No. No, okay. Okay, things have settled down here.
Zoom on the camera platform also, please.
Copy that.
by a bit.
Yeah, pilot. This is dead coral. It's just covered in hydroids, but there might be some interesting barnacles living on it.
Okay. We can go macro.
There's macro.
Okay. Tilting down.
Science nav.
Go ahead, Nath.
What did you call this?
Oh, this is dead golden coral,
Ah.
but it has some hydroids growing on it, I think. Some other things, but
Look like
we're looking for
small worms.
possible barnacles that live on it.
I see. Thank you.
Yep.
Tilting down.
Pulling out. Going back in.
Coming up. Down. Do hermit crabs eat hydroids?
Yeah,
Seems to
little
be a
area.
bare spot right where he is.
I don't know.
Look, there's little
Maybe.
pink guy below or right.
Okay, tilting down again.
Can we actually zoom on those?
It's max
We
zoom.
go tilt up, and those that we're calling hydroids. I don't know, they seem like little tubes. I'm curious
Yeah,
about
okay.
those.
Max
Got
zoom.
any? Wait, that's as good as we got here.
Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, we can keep panning out for see if we see a barnacle.
Okay.
You want me to zoom out to give you a medium shot to
Well,
look for it?
just kind of bumping down the stalk here.
No,
Oh, I think we're
that's the end.
there's the hold fast. Okay, let's come out.
On anemone.
Yeah, little anemone right there. Oh, it is golden.
Yeah, this is. You can see the skeleton under there. That's when
Uh-huh.
the colors. Waypoint 3.
There's waypoint 3
Okay.
revised, it looks like.
Okay. It looks like the current is blowing something off this coral. It's okay, we can zoom a little bit here, video. Something. Yeah, hold that. Pieces are definitely coming off.
Are those eggs?
Could be.
Oh wow.
Further zoom, please.
This will be amazing.
Spawning coral, perhaps.
Wow.
Oh yes.
Ready for macro?
This is amazing. I don't think
keep
I
going,
don't think
macro.
anybody has ever seen a deep sea coral spawning before.
Oh,
No, no one's ever seen that before. You can see the eggs inside the
Yeah, we definitely wanna document this very well.
Okay, we'll hang here for a while as we shake around, and then I'm
Please.
gonna look for a more stable position because I'm really shaking in the current here.
This is completely amazing.
This is okay. Let's come wide, video. This is
Yes.
making me seasick.
Got a target dropped for that.
Thank you. Let's see, where can I put myself?
Hey, Dave, that was a great observation, man. Way to catch that one.
Perhaps. Don't want to blow this thing to smithereens in the act of procreation. Video, we can try some more zoom here.
Direction the eggs are coming off.
Copy that. Yeah, pilot. Just take your time to position yourself and.
Yeah.
You can zoom on the camera platform. Maybe you can get a better picture of.
Okay, hold that and focus. In fact, back. Zoom out. Stop. And focus, please.
Thank you, video. I know you only got 2 hands there.
Okay, zoom in slowly. And let's hold that for a moment.
Yeah, pilot. If we can zoom in to try to see the eggs on the coral.
Yeah.
Will be-
Unfortunately, things are moving around rather furiously here, so
You might want to try it at the base, Dave, where it's moving less.
in fact the ROV is pretty steady, but there's a lot of motion of the
Right.
animal itself. If I go down lower on the stalk, there'll be less motion here, relatively speaking.
Wow, you can see those gusts.
That might be me. But, whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, Santiago, can you tell if those eggs are in the truck to the port of the branch?
Yeah. I just told him to try to zoom on those. We're trying to get more stable. I mean, we're stable, but there's a lot of current, so the coral is moving. Well, here we go.
What are those inside? Crabs?
There's crab, yeah. Let's come full wide again, video. I need to rework this perch a little bit here.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a lot more light. Let's go back in, video. I think this is better. Hold that for a moment. Okay, go in further. And
Well, we
more.
get a.
Yeah, we can come in quite a lot now. Doing much better. Okay, there's an egg right there. Center screen.
Can we
Yeesh.
adjust the light, please?
It looks bright, too bright on the big screen, but it's correct for the recording.
Okay.
Um,
You know about this, yeah. I'm just.
yeah. Look at the little monitor above.
That's what it's gonna record.
That's much more true rendering.
Or if you look at your KVM 40.
Okay.
That is max zoom, by the way.
Yeah, it's. See if I can't get. Phooey. It had to perch itself on the tallest, craggiest, windiest rock in the realm.
Video, could you zoom out some? I'm moving around a lot.
Yeah, that's
There
true.
we go.
That's good
Okay,
observation.
here's a good image. Just getting steadied up here. Just Just waiting for that egg center screen to pop.
I think you may be waiting a day or two.
Give it a little thruster current.
Just trying to image on the inside.
There we go.
Some of those side ones might
Yeah,
be.
yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah.
And we can see them when they release.
Yeah, you'd think those big guys would be ready to pop, but it's a lot of the little guys leaving.
Let's pull out a little bit so we can see them.
Okay.
TV.
Yeah,
Hold that.
copy that. I think that's what they're aiming for.
Okay.
Yeah, pilot. If we can get also, this is great, but we can also get an image, yeah, like that, just with the black background and see
Yep.
some X coming out.
Yeah, we're gonna hold this shot as long as
Yeah,
Nice.
this is great.
Santiago, you know, the things I'm seeing come off are actually swimming, like a little amphitheater.
What?
I'd like to try to zoom in again.
Okay.
Really?
They're talking about these things possibly swimming.
Okay. Still trying to come left here.
I have not seen that.
They're talking about them possibly swimming, so.
So
next
you
one
are
comes off, I'll
suggesting that
just see if
they
I
might
can
not be the
focus
coral
on it.
eggs, but some other animal eggs?
We're seeing a much clearer image than they are. They're seeing compression artifacts.
On these coral branches, I don't see them moving on the branches. And when I see them come out and be released, it looks to be more elongate. And to me, they were pretending their own direction where they were going. They weren't just. It could be top wash pushing them around a little bit, but to me, like they were self-propelled. But this is just wait here for a minute and look.
I don't really see that, but we can analyze the video later. They just look like they're floating to me. I don't.
Tilting up.
There's one of the little white ones right there.
Small ovoid shapes coming out of the center of the coral. And then when they get a few inches away from the coral end of the pellet, they elongate. Now, it could be an artifact of the video. They elongate, stretch out, and then move. Watch it. Look here. Okay.
Well, they could be larvae. Maybe it is a brooder.
Well, my mind's wide open. They're not moving on the coral. No one sees anything moving on the coral.
No, I don't see anything moving in the coral.
Once released, they have some sort of behavior.
Yeah. But I definitely think that they are, well, not definitely, but I think they are part of the coral. I wouldn't. I mean, I can't imagine another animal just laying eggs so homogeneously all over the coral, right?
Let's get a medium wide shot. Just see these things flying off in the
Okay.
distance.
So it's pretty much like every.
This is kind of what I would expect to see, but they are attached to the branches.
Not all. If you see that there's some polyps that have little pouches. I'm gonna ask the pilots if we can actually get a little closer. I don't know if we can get a little closer.
Can you, Science, can you see it in the camera platform?
Pouches. I'm gonna ask the pilots if we can actually get a little closer. I don't know if we can get a little closer.
Can you, Science, can you see it in the camera platform?
Pilot,
Really close.
this is science.
Yes.
Is it possible to get even closer to the?
It's possible to get closer. I cannot promise not to come in contact.
Look at your camera platform, Scientist.
I guess a different question. Was that a full zoom that we got?
Let's go to maximum zoom.
Yes,
please,
it was.
video.
I mean, we really want to see
I'm
the
gonna-
polyps, the eggs, where are they coming from, where they are in the coral.
There you go.
It looks like the current's going to the right too.
Science, if you look in the the camera platform, you can see how close we are. It's actually underneath that light.
Yeah, you're right. So is that a full zoom?
That's it.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
It may be possible to get closer.
You want me to pull you out, pilot?
I mean, I
You feel like it's gonna be under the
Check that right side.
the legs at the base of the polyp.
yeah.
I'm not sure I would move the ROV right now. I would leave the ROV where it is, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we should move the ROV. Actually, this is a good image, but maybe yeah. Let's try to get some good
tilt
shots with good focus and steady,
Maybe
if
tilt
if
down, we can
possible.
look at the
I know
crab
we're
at the
shaking,
bottom
but
and see something in there.
we really want to know what's going on. Seems like we're a little bit more steady now. Well,
Yeah.
the coral is.
Things have settled down somewhat. Let's go.
I don't know if the presence of the RV might actually have something to do with the coral stopping releasing the eggs, something with the
Well,
light. I don't know.
We did hit it with some prop wash on the approach, which, if any eggs were ready to go, they probably got blown off.
Okay.
You tilt up where we were just at. I saw a white egg flapping by itself over to the right. It's right about in this zone. They're pretty bright white in comparison.
I think that once we leave here, we'll find another one to stop and take a look at it.
Yeah.
There's some at the bottom.
Yep. Oh,
Yeah, absolutely. I think we saw a couple of these on this rock.
There's one coming loose right now.
Oh.
There it goes.
Oh, yes.
Sorry.
That was
We'll get
one
it
of the
in
shots we needed.
We'll get it in the instant replay. Don't
Zoom.
worry about that.
Zooming.
Did you see
Oh,
that,
coming
Tim?
loose. Full
Zooming.
wide.
You're full wide.
Okay.
Safe.
Let me try. Let's zoom on this coral here. Hold that. Come in some more. Full tilt up.
I don't think this one has eggs, but in any case, we want to image it too, just as a
Smack
comparison.
soon.
No eggs.
Yeah, I think we still want to image it as a comparison.
Okay.
Thank you.
Tilting up. Oh, I don't have any more up. I have some down.
Mm, I'm actually not sure if they have eggs or not. Can we get a little closer?
Zoom in. Is that all of it?
Smacks.
That's all of it, huh?
They seem like they might have something.
There's some bulginess at
Yeah,
the
yeah.
bottom of some of the polyps.
Yeah, you're right. I don't know if it's possible to get a little closer than now.
Well, let's come full wide here, video, and see what my options are. Okay, we can continue in. Yeah, some of those polyps have, well, it's hard to say, but yeah, they definitely look, the one almost center screen. Now it's
Yeah.
in the lower left.
Yep.
There's some swelling there.
Maybe try to see if any maybe try to see if any of the polys on the edges of the color that
Yeah.
look like that will give you more contrast, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, here it's pretty clear that
Yeah, I agree.
there's
There were a
differences.
couple with some bulges, but it's not clear that they are indeed XX. Perhaps we can look at a new coral.
Okay. All right, let's come wide, video, and we'll find a new victim.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
Again, please. Hold that. There we go. Okay, you can zoom in some more.
Mm.
There we go.
Yes.
Smack soon.
I see the same bulges. Yep.
Science is
This is the most stable perch I've had so far.
Unfortunately, no eggs. It's maxed in.
Now this is science.
Go ahead.
I got
Yeah, we still want to drop a target on this one.
Okay.
Just it's
Let's
a
look
nice
at the crab
comparison.
while we're here.
Yeah. Thank you.
We'll call it coral without eggs or just coral?
Yeah, just coral without eggs, just
Okay.
to make clear. We know we where to look back.
Not able to stabilize enough for imaging.
No, I'm not.
Okay,
Back.
pulling out.
I think I'm perched here.
No eggs. Oh,
Up, we got eggs.
maybe.
Tilting down. Oops.
Yeah.
Can't get anything stable enough to get a
Yeah,
good focus.
and that's not me. That's it's flailing around in the breeze there.
Let me focus on the crab's eyes. That'll give him something to focus on.
Okay. Okay, I'll sit for a little while longer. Oh, that's good news, though.
That's pretty good. You're focusing in the far distance. See the
Okay, roger that. You want us to move on?
video come wide.
Roger. Okay, Dave, you can move on, they say.
All right.
Keep that in mind. Thank you. Yes. Look at those eggs.
Is this exactly what you want?
Oh boy.
Do you see anything coming out?
Oh, come on. Let a couple go just for us.
Yeah, maybe if we are just patient, we should see one. Couple of minutes. Hopefully.
encourage it somehow?
You want to pull out so we see the whole thing maybe blowing off?
Yeah. I have no more up tilt. Tilt down.
One more tilt up, add a lot more polyps. Or egg sacs or whatever they are.
Science, is it known if the crabs feed on the polyps?
It is not known, but we have never seen that, and we have not seen any evidence of damage to the coral when there's those crabs around. So we think they are just using the coral maybe to get food and perhaps protection.
All right, thank you.
Okay, I think I've settled down here a bit.
I see X. I think. Yes.
Santiago, you think you see eggs here?
So we're making sternway here, co-pilot, so watching the wire.
Sorry, Tim, can you repeat that? There was some noise in the communication.
I'm just going to try a little shutter on this to see if that'll help.
Yeah, you mentioned that you think you
Yeah,
see
the current's
eggs.
pushing us,
Yes, I'm asking if you do
making
see
the
eggs.
angle even worse.
Describe where you think you're seeing them.
Well, I'm just seeing white sacs on the base of the polyps. So that may be just.
This one's all
Yeah,
closed up.
I see them protruding a little bit. I don't know if you can see them right at the base of the polyps.
Nav bridge.
Science, I'm focusing on the ones
Nav
just
bridge
below
is calling you.
just near the crab. Right at the base,
Nav.
you can see it.
Bridge is calling.
Go ahead, Bridge.
Thanks, pilot.
I'm slowing the move down to 0.2 knots, just
Yeah, if you
because of
see-
the wire angle.
Okay. Roger that. Pilots, Bridge feels the need to slow down to 0.2 because of the wire angle.
That's fine. Thank you, Nav.
Yeah.
Roger that, Bridge. It's okay.
Pilot, I'm
If you
focusing
look,
right where the
yeah,
crab
just
is.
at the when you. I don't know how else to describe it. Yeah,
To the bottom of the screen.
but each individual polyp, at the point where it's attaching to the skeleton of the coral, there is a white bulge. It seems a little swollen than the usual attachment that we see in other corals.
These
They're
polyps have
white.
closed up,
and,
I'm afraid. We might have gotten so close.
Look like the upper right-hand side has more bulges at the base.
Coming up.
Right there.
Sorry.
I'm just focusing at the base of the polyps.
Nav, this is science.
And too much movement up there.
Go ahead, Science.
Yeah, did we call a ship move?
Yes, we did.
Oh, can you stop it right now? Sorry.
Okay.
We're still
sorry.
okay here.
We would like to relocate the coral that we saw at the beginning and maybe try to get a couple of good shots, and then we
really?
can keep moving.
By
It's
coral
just
we saw at the beginning, meaning
I'm sorry?
which one?
The first one, the very first one.
The very first one.
Yes.
Oh.
Seems as we're very close to it, according to the map.
Yes. Okay. Well, stop the ship here, and we'll see if I can get back.
Bridge
to
says
it.
nav.
Not seeing anything come off of it.
Bridge ROV nav.
This is the bridge. Go ahead.
Yes, we'd like to stop the ship here.
Roger, stopping the ship.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nav.
Okay. So.
There's
Need a
two
little
polyps opened up just upper left. Those are the only two open polyps on the whole plant. Okay, we're full wide.
New navigator, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we've just had a change of plan in the last few seconds.
Sure, that's pretty nice.
Yep.
Okay, video back here at Little Herc.
You said we want me to zoom out, co-pilot?
We're ready for a zoom.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to swing around.
Yep.
Oh boy. Currents picked up since I was here last.
See that?
Tilted up as high as I can go.
We're going to get the stem at this point.
Nah, that's not going to work.
Pull it out.
Oh, there
Oh.
went something.
That was something.
There's one. I see one right at the tip of that polyp.
Very bottom one.
Yeah. Hold that.
Oh, yeah. That's going to come loose soon. Yeah, that's probably gonna come loose
Don't
soon,
think that's a
maybe.
closed polyp.
No, no, no. It's
Sorry.
it's a different one. I think there's one egg like attached to one of the
Hang out.
polyps of one of the tentacles of the polyps.
Yeah. Okay, we can go back in.
Oh, okay.
Stop.
Holding.
Right.
There's one at
It's
the
right
very bottom
there.
left.
Center
About
screen.
8
In
of
the middle.
them.
Yep,
Right
yep.
in the middle
Okay,
right
you
now.
can go in some more. Hold that.
Could also be food, but no.
Seventh polyp along that line. I think for us to be certain, we'd have to see it closer.
Closer. We're less than half a meter away from
No,
it.
I'm not saying that. I'm talking about zoom wise.
Yeah.
There's drifting away there.
I'm afraid with it flick.
You want to zoom more?
All the way tilted up. Let's see. Let's try a little down here and see if that cocks me back here a little bit. Whoa.
Zooming out.
Widen up.
Wrong button. Where did waypoint 3 go? There it is. Excuse me.
Okay, so you just wanna keep an eye out for
the brushy corals.
anything that we can see.
Copy that.
Okay, you want a quick zoom on the ground
right
to
under
see
me
what the white things are. Okay.
About
Oh,
270.
You want to zoom on the ground?
Yes, please.
Easy one to position.
Yeah, how come you get all the easy stuff?
Land anywhere in this flat area. Okay, video?
You're right, they look like barnacles. Maybe. Especially from the side view of them, and I think there's some other fauna around, so we'll have a look around this area.
Okay. Are there any barnacles in my center now?
Do you have a name for these barnacles?
Yeah, yeah, I saw that one. Yep. Do you think this is has any kind of chemosynthetic
Maybe pan left.
activity going on,
And left.
or it's just
Yeah, there's a big school of them on the left, or whatever you want to call these.
currents that feed these guys?
Those on the rock with the yellow. Those on the rock with the yellow.
I was just thinking that I don't know if it's
there we go.
expensive that has barnacles in it.
I know.
Not more synthetic. There are small patches around the outskirts of Vancouver where you find don't see any water shimmering.
I'll come up just a hair.
Right. Temperature is a little higher though, not too much. 5.42 degrees.
Okay, science, what else would you like to see?
Yes, pilot, degrees.
Okay, science, what else would you like to see?
Yes, pilot, if you, yeah,
I'm gonna tilt up. There's a little.
zoom out completely.
There's a little
Zoom
thing
out.
up here at the top. You want to see that?
Video, could you zoom out?
Oh, sorry. I forgot you don't have control of that. Yeah, completely. We saw a pink animal. Can you back up a little bit, the RV?
Back up.
It's lower left to the screen.
Just right where we're sitting, something like that.
Just out of the light.
Is that it? That looks nice. Try to move a little bit right. Seem to be pretty well stuck here.
One of the things you can do is put in a little twist and then
Okay, Tim.
remove your down.
Okay, got that.
Just quickly.
Until you start moving, and then clamp yourself again.
Pilot, this is science.
Yes, science.
Like that.
Can we get a, full macro of both the
Sure. Let me
chiton and the barnacle?
come a little bit more right.
Try a little less twist and take a little down off, and things should start to move.
Okay.
If you have a lot of twist on as you remove your down, all of a sudden you'll
Zip line, yeah.
take off.
Yeah.
I see.
There you go.
That's
All right,
okay.
just
That's
put your
okay.
down back on.
Yeah, my down's all the way.
Oh.
Run away. Okay. Oh, too. Try to move a little bit right. Seem to be pretty well stuck here.
One of the things you can do is put in a little twist and then
Okay, Tim.
remove your down.
Okay, got that.
Just quickly.
Until you start moving, and then clamp yourself again.
Pilot, this is science.
Yes, science.
Like that.
Can we get a, full macro of both the
Sure. Let me
chiton and the barnacle?
come a little bit more right.
Try a little less twist and take a little down off, and things should start to move.
Okay.
If you have a lot of twist on as you remove your down, all of a sudden you'll
Zip line, yeah.
take off.
Yeah.
I see.
There you go.
That's
All right,
okay.
just
That's
put your
okay.
down back on.
Yeah, my down's all the way.
Oh.
Run away. Okay. Okay. Oh, too far.
That's the general
And get the
technique.
barnacle
Yes.
there.
Balancing of forces.
It's a nice shot with the barnacles.
That's what you were going for, right? Max zoom.
Yeah, I think we forgot to do that with the coral.
We're asking for lasers.
Pilot, this is science.
Yes, science.
Could we please get the lasers on?
Lasers coming
That
on.
would be co-pilot.
I'm happy to serve here.
Oh, good. I forgot about that.
Alright. Ooh. Okay, video. If you want to zoom on that there.
Smack.
Okay, video. If you want to zoom on that there.
Max zoom.
Alright.
Okay, pulling out. Tilt up for size on your laser. Not very.
Is appreciated.
Yep.
All right, I am.
Yeah, we want to pay special attention to any shells, like from mussels or things, or shrimp as well.
Okay.
Looking east at you.
Pilot, this is Nav.
Yes, Nav.
Pull time in 7 minutes.
7 minutes. Copy.
Come west, young man.
Come west.
Now this is science.
Go ahead, science.
Still the bottom.
Did you just say that we have only 7 minutes of bottom left?
That's correct.
Okay. Jakarta, this is EX.
Oh, is that a clam or is that a rock?
That's a rock.
Okay.
There is a shrimp, I think, the red thing under the rock to the right.
Just under that big flat rock.
Yep.
Just passed
He's
over.
under the corner of that rock over there.
What's that?
There's an urchin in the back.
Do you want to see the urchin?
No, I want to see
Shrimp first, please.
Okay. Hold on, I'm getting a bit.
You might not get there from here.
Yeah, I know.
You're too stretched out. Come towards me and find another shrimp.
Okay.
Pilot, no, maybe.
He can't maneuver where.
To look more whitish. Yep. Jakarta, I just wanted to let you know that we only have 7 minutes of bottom left.
Look more for maybe a white shrimp. They'd be more impressed with that, they said.
Continue going through this field.
Is that a shrimp?
Can't tell what that is.
Yes.
No, that's a coral.
Okay. Yeah, pilot. We just keep scanning this field as we move and see we can see.
Copy that.
Thank
Trying
you.
to go slow and close, so I can just stop when we see something.
The scientists are focusing their attention on white shrimp.
White shrimp, the great white shrimp.
White shrimp, not pink shrimp.
Or shimmering water if you stumble across that.
Rock to your left.
Yeah.
Oh. Heading into the bottom once again. You got plenty of tether to work with now if you need to spin around or do any fancy driving.
You seeing anything here, Science?
Not yet. We'll keep looking.
There's a chubby little sea star.
Yeah.
Is Tom down there anywhere?
Tom?
Yeah. Either Tom. No?
You need a navigational consultation?
I need
a break?
Oh, yeah.
A break. Oh, why don't we get up? We gotta. Well, I tell you, we're not moving, so you could make a quick dash. We'll just hold off on any ship moves. Just, actually, you notify the bridge that you're off comms for 3 minutes or whatever, that you'll be back.
Nav Bridge.
Go ahead, Bridge.
We're sending you some relief. Tom Cock will be down there in a minute.
Gracias.
There you go.
I'm glad everybody's listening.
This is pretty amazing. If I stop moving forward, I just start shooting sideways.
Yes.
That's what 0.6 of a knot of current will do to you.
Well, you're a sailor. You understand vectors, tacking.
Yes. Tacking.
Tacking or tacky?
Tacking.
He's always been tacky.
Current seems to be more from the north now. I can really.
Red shrimp just below.
Maybe just drop down really close and see what we see in the little interstices here.
You
Okay.
just saw a red shrimp
Good
went off
stuff.
the bottom of the screen.
Red shrimp bottom of the screen? Or you
Red shrimp.
It's about 20 centimeters back.
20 centimeters back.
Right there. Left.
Yep. Yeah, right by. Oh, right down in the rock.
Rock.
And you gotta pirouette around to get that guy. This is where the advanced, using all of your lateral, and you'll have to roll up.
Upslope.
Maybe tilt up a little bit to get a better sense of that.
Okay.
Pilot cam is very useful in its new location.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good perspective.
Yeah, pilot. I think if you want to increase the speed, that will be fine.
Okay.
Just.
I sense some desperation. You better find something quick, or we're all in trouble.
No, I don't think we want to. I mean, if we find something, it'll be cool. But we really want to see how far away this goes.
Okay. I'll increase my altitude
It's
a little.
just very unusual to see so many barnacles.
Oh, really?
Without any chemosynthetic evidence.
Ah, I see.
Well,
could it be just that we're shallow?
We're not that shallow. We're what, 800?
800 meters, yes.
There's quite a current here for them to feed on.
Yeah, but where are all the corals? And
the barnacles ate them.
So the barnacles are the next step after the.
Look.
You know, so there's the corals. There's the crabs.
Yeah. We're moving on though.
Thank you.
And you're coming to the end of your tether.
Ah, the tether, yes.
And if we maintain 20 meters a minute all the way up, we're due at 431 right now.
Okay, well we can certainly make better than 20 a minute. So we're.
Yeah, we were doing 25 yesterday. How long do we have if we make 25? Probably just a few more minutes. Okay, well that's
if
the
we
end of
make
my tether.
25, we're due up at 424. So you've got 6 more minutes.
6 more.
You guys make a lot better time coming up than we do going down.
Well, yeah, that is the case because.
Okay, science. I'm at the end of my tether.
Okay, you said you had a couple extra minutes?
Yeah, we have 5 or 6 more minutes.
Okay, so I believe we can head north if you can. North,
yeah, north is good.
But just to the extent of your tether. And,
Looks like some pretty nice tether pull.
I think I've been here before.
Yeah, you have retraced your steps. And now you can push out north.
Go ahead, Science. Yeah, you'd like a target at the extent we went west? Copy that. Barnacles west, copy that.
There's a nice rock ahead of me.
Indeed there is.
It's a red coral.
Well, how much farther do you think I have on my tether, co-pilot?
Well, just go until you feel it.
Okay.
You're past pull time by 8 minutes.
We recalculated based on 25 a minute up.
Okay.
So, at the behest of science, to squeeze every last moment.
Based on that, then you're at pull time.
We're at pull time. And have you push out as far as you can north.
Okay.
And we'll drop a target on the ROV, and we'll call it
as far north as we went.
Barnacles North.
Barnacles North.
Barnacles North. Northernmost extent of the barnacles.
That we saw.
Yes.
As in Barnacle Bill Barnacle.
The sailor.
Still going.
Yeah, you're spinning me around here. And there's still barnacles as far as the eye can see.
Alright.
Wow.
Stopped moving.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for you.
Barnacles north, I guess.
Right there.
So, I'm heading into the current now, though.
Okay, so what you need to do is...
I have a minus turn, so I can take a positive turn around you.
Yeah,